I'm Bill Kesterkey with Key Exteriors. We're standing in front of the Dwayne and Susan Gray home in northwestern Fort Wayne. And last year we completed a true full exterior remodel. We changed out the windows, the siding, the roofing, the doors, the gutters, and downspouts and leaf product. We refer to the gutters, downspouts, and the leaf topper or leaf product as a rain removal system. You can see there's a lot of trees, and the home before had a 5-inch gutter system, and it just really wasn't doing a very good job of capturing the water coming off the roof. The homeowner had actually kind of put a do-it-yourself leaf topper in, which doesn't work when you have this many trees. We put up a 6-inch gutter system because it actually will take 60% more of the rain coming off your roof. We also did 3-inch by 4-inch downspouts because that actually will take the water out of the trough twice as fast as the 2-inch by 3-inch. Plus, the 6-inch looks really, really nice, and if you compare it to a 5-inch gutter side by side, it just looks better. It just looks like it'll do a better job, and it does. One of the often overlooked products on a home is actually your rain removal system, but it's so important. If water comes off the gutters and the downspouts get clogged and it gets down to your foundation, it can cause a lot of trouble. By putting the leaf topper on, we can eliminate that maintenance so you don't have to get up on the ladder anymore, especially if you're older or younger. You definitely don't want to have a fall off the ladder. Folks, if you're having problems with your gutters or they're getting clogged, you have a lot of leaves or debris around them, be sure to give us a call. Give us a call at 260-492-8062. Give us a call at Key Exteriors. That's 260-492-8062.